In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an X profile picture a GIF. And more importantly, I'll walk you through what's actually possible on the platform right now, so you know exactly what to expect before you spend time creating anything. Let's start at the very beginning. First, open X, either in your browser or on the mobile app, and head over to your profile dashboard. This is the main page that shows your handle, your existing profile photo, your header image, your bio, and your posts. You can usually get there by tapping your profile icon, then choosing Profile from the menu. Make sure you're logged into the correct account where you want to change the profile picture. Once you're on your profile page, look for the option to edit your profile. On desktop, this is typically a button labeled Edit Profile near the top of the screen. On mobile, it's in a similar spot, just under your header image. Click or tap that button, and you'll see several editable fields, including your display name, bio, and of course, your profile photo. Here's where it's important to understand the current limitations. As of 2026, X, which you might still know as Twitter, does not officially support animated GIF profile pictures. That means if you try to upload a GIF file as your profile image, X will automatically convert it to a static image. The animation will not play on your profile or anywhere else on the platform. In the early days of the platform, some people managed to use various unofficial workarounds or older features to show animated avatars, but those methods no longer work under current platform standards. X now restricts profile pictures to still image formats such as JPG and PNG. Even if you upload a GIF, the system treats it like a single frame image. So if your goal is to have some movement or personality in your branding, you'll want to think of alternatives. For example, you could design a bold, eye-catching static image that represents your style, brand, or content. Some creators also use GIFs and videos within their posts or replies instead of in the profile picture itself, which can still give your account a dynamic, animated feel. To sum it up, you can visit your profile dashboard, choose to edit your profile, and upload a new picture, but at this time, X will only display it as a still image, not an animated GIF.